Hello everyone, this is Pikxles here, and I'm walking around with my son Skitson, and we just seen, look at that. Claw, that would upset you so much. Someone's cooking duck. Can you believe they're cooking duck? We've got other people there, so we're going to put that in the video. Love you, Claw. Full respect from Skitson and Pikxles. Bye everybody. Hey everyone, just waiting for a hamburger for lunch. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. Love it. That's a fantastic sign, isn't it? That's fantastic. All right, that's going in the video, 100%. Boom, done. Snorkeling. We did. So we're just about to go for a beach walk, and we've got something special to have on that beach walk, which will help us with the kangaroos. Definitely. Make sure you smash the like. Hello everyone. Isn't that beautiful? It's actually starting to just rain, but that's okay. But that beautiful beach there, isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. And on the other side of that wall over there is another beach, as you can see. Pardon me. And then we've got this beautiful beach here, 100%. And we've got something really special as well. I know Monster's flying here in August. So, and I thought we need some, we need something extra to go and pat some kangaroos today. So we actually brought a bit of Monster with us, 100%. There you go, son. Bit of Monster with us. So can you actually open up my can for me? And we're going to go for a beach walk and just chill and have, look at this. I'm going to smash Monster. Here we go. So yeah, we're going to smash Monster. This will be the first time I've ever smashed Monster. Beautiful, huh? I love this beach. I came here snorkeling when Skitson was young. I don't know whether you remember. Well, you're saying you remembered about the surfing around here and stuff, eh?
Yeah. I remember surfing over there.
You remember surfing on the other side, eh? I just thought we'd go for a walk down to the rock pool. Check it out. So people, what we're doing today, we just smashed down an awesome hamburger. Wasn't it delicious? It was a works burger, eh? Yeah, delicious. This beach really is beautiful. And kangaroos do come here, but not as often to easily find like the other place we usually go. Yeah, I've actually gone spearfishing off over here before too. I used to go with a mate of mine from school. He used to live here. And I used to stay overnights at him and his old man's house. And we go out over there and go snorkeling and spearfishing. I was always pretty scared though, I'll admit it, of the sharks then.
Yeah.
Yeah, he wasn't. He wasn't scared at all. But I was.
There could easily be a great white out there, couldn't there?
What was that?
There could easily be a great white out there.
Absolutely. Oh, absolutely. Big sharks here all the time. All the time. Look at that blue sky there.
Yeah, that looks cool.
That looks awesome, eh? Love it. There's actually a really cool rock pool around there too. Like even further around on the rocks. So we can go for as long a walk as you want. We're going to premiere this 100%. Woohoo! Going for a beach walk with kids. Look at the patterns on the sand. With the dirt. Looks cool, eh? The tide's definitely coming up, I'd say, with all this water lying up here. Or maybe just a few. Look at that. Maybe there was a couple of big surges. Are you getting wet socks? Watch out for the surge. Do you want to video me? Woohoo! Smashing down a monster. Really is beautiful here. And there's rock pool. See, you can see the rocks here. And the rocks up there. The rocks actually go right out through the water there, all the way around. So you can snorkel in this area here, flathead, whiting, good fishing, good safe snorkeling, 100%, unless it's a big tide, yeah? Unless it's a big tide. Don't do it, yeah, do it side on. Really is beautiful here. I say that rock pool where, yeah, me and Skipson just go snorkeling. There are rocks in amongst to it too. You can see the dark patch there. See that dark patch there? So you got the rock pool that goes right around, and then you got that dark patch right there. Watch out for the water. Watch out for the water! I'm gonna crush monster when I finish this. Oh, check out this stick. Look at that. Yeah, it's like that. Oh, and there's little birds jumping around it too. See the little birds?
Yeah.
There's like 1, 2, 3. They're small. Oh, there's another one. There's 4, 5. Oh, there's like 6 there. They're everywhere. Oh, look, they're everywhere. Oh, that must be their nest. Now we'll go
Look at
this
this
way.
little stream.
Yeah, I know. It comes down in here. Do you want to check out the stream?
Yeah, look at all the colours though.
Hello?
Look at all the different colours.
Yeah,
What's
well,
that
that's
from?
the tea tree probably once again and all the different leaves. You know what I mean? All the dirt, the leaves, yeah. All that kind of stuff. Have you got across here without getting wet? You will, eh? I've done it! What a save! Woohoo! I just jumped that without getting wet at all. That's fantastic. All right. You going over skits in your right?
Yeah.
You reckon you can handle that?
No.
Oh! That fall. All right, you did it. Nice work. Yeah, it's a big tree. This is what brought me over here. I like how it's sticking out, you know what I mean? And obviously the birds like it too. And they'll be in this brush. See how really short it is? They can hide in amongst that bush really easy. Boom, straight in there. Same with snakes, yes. No spiders though. Everyone's worried about spiders. There's actually no spiders in Australia. It's a myth. No spiders at all. So see how big that rock pool is? All the way over there, all the way around here into this. See? Huge.
Yeah.
It's a really safe swimming spot. There is currents in it, but you can actually you can see how where the waves are breaking on that whitewash.
Yeah.
So you can actually stand up there. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, you can. Yeah.
So we used to, me and my mate, on that big flat rock out there, that's where we used to actually put our stuff. So we'd swim out in there, put the stuff on there, go spear fishing. I was always worried about sharks. Yeah. It's a beautiful spot here. We've got red rock, we've got different coloured rock, we've got points, we've got the beach, the sound of the wave, smashing monster. Oh! What's going on? What are you doing there about my shoes? You got paranoid about my shoes, son. Paranoid about my shoes. Crazy. You're trying to follow me shoes for? What are you worried about my shoes? Leave me shoes alone. Yeah, look at the colour of these rocks, see? You've got all pinks in them, all purples, all the different rocks that are smashed together as a, you know, it's just awesome, isn't it? Your shoes. Yeah. And you, look, no, you're right. Look, stop here for a second.
Yeah.
So you can see the whitewash out there, right?
Yeah.
And then can you see these rocks here? So all the fish are like hidden amongst all these little rocks here. Big fish and little fish. Unless it's a big tide, sharks can't get into that one. Pretty tough. Really beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
And look at that cliff base. That was cool.
Do you know?
And
Just
you hear
one.
birds?
Do you know what would be funny though?
What's that?
If I edited, look at that cliff face, and then in the edit video, if I actually put a face on the mountain, look at that cliff face, and then it's
Wow.
that would be funny.
Possible. We might be doing an unedited version this time. We might do it clean, but that would be funny. Look at that cliff face. Boom.
Yes, that's a face of the cliff.
That's true. That would be funny. You're funny.
Mm.
Oh, we've got a stream coming down out here.
Where are they even coming from?
The mountain.
So they're no, but are they fresh water?
Probably a very good question. I would say yes, but I wouldn't drink it unless you boiled it. Okay? It would be rainwater. Yeah, it's not actually coming from salt. So yeah, it's fresh.
Yeah, look at that island out there, little.
Yeah, well, that's where we used to
Rock
put our gear.
formation.
See? So we put all our snorkeling gear, our towels there.
And look at the colour of these rocks everywhere.
No way.
They're actually like, this is their actual colour.
Look at that one. That's all split open. You can actually see how it's all.
It's like crystallised.
Yeah.
It's weird.
And check this one. Look at that wave formation through it. That's
So
gorgeous.
is this from the tea tree?
No, I don't know. I don't know enough about rocks. Because it just to answer that. No. The colour is all the watercolours from anything that's mixed into water. Anything. You know what I mean? Like bird droppings, animal droppings, dirt, any decomposing matter at all. It's just tea trees really strong coloured.
Yeah.
So that's why that creek where we fed the ducks before. By the way, we didn't eat that duck. We ate hamburger.
Yeah.
And there was a lovely lady there. Well, actually, she said I gave her a heart attack. And she said, oh, I got to do it in a clean spot. She said, but she was lovely. She did say that, but she was lovely. She said, you nearly gave me a heart attack, but I didn't give her one. It's okay. She's safe. She's okay. Woohoo! Right.
At first, I think she was a bit like, what are you doing?
Yeah, what are you doing? But I just wanted to tell her I was going to make a video of this sign that said people can eat duck. I just wanted to show Claude.
What's going on with these trees?
What do you mean?
They're growing like sideways.
No, they're falling over because the dirt's been washed away.
Oh.
See? Look. See the erosion underneath them?
Yeah.
So they've actually lost their weight and toppled over, yeah. And then you can see this one over here, right? It's snapping from the weight. I know it's only bark, but you can actually see there where the stress points are. Yeah? It's not actually snapping like I thought it was, but you can see the stress points and where this is stronger and easier, and here's just rubbish.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the tree's getting stressed at that point. You know what I mean? And there again, ground's been washed out. Big waves. I reckon we should walk all the way to here. What do we think?
Yeah.
And then we're going to crush Monster. I'm going to do a double flip reset and smash Monster. 100%. It'll be the first time I've ever beat them.
Only a double.
A double, do a quadruple flip reset, pogo musty with a flippy flip twist.
Is that it?
For today.
Damn.
That's it.
You have to do
What am I going to do tomorrow? Look how cool that rock's looks standing out. Actually looks cool, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's like, I'm going to stand here. Oh, look how flat that shelf looks, how the water's dripping off it.
Yeah.
That looks mad. Can you see it in the camera? Yeah, you can, 100%. No, don't focus in and out because it's hard to come back. Can't do that, no. Right. Here we go. The water's going to come over. Where you going to feel me? I'll come. Here we go. Here it comes. See? Like a little Niagara Falls. 100%. That looks awesome, doesn't it?
Mm.
All right. That looks wicked. Should we go to the end of the beach or is this the end?
I'd say this is the end.
You say this is the
Not
end?
really much else to.
Well, there's a
can't get
big
over
rock
there.
pool around there, but yeah.
It's a bit of a
I'm
climb.
going to smash Monster.
You can go there if you want, but it's just. I don't know. It looks like it's. I don't think you can get across that area.
I know you can. I've been all around that whole cliff area all the way to the end. But it's a mission.
Yeah.
It's a mission. It's a mission! 100%. My son. Love your son. Look how cool that rocks. Yeah, it's got that curvy formation on there.
Yeah.
I bet you can't find two rocks here that are the same. Look at that one. That looks cool, eh?
Yeah, it does.
See, I'm a good rock finder, aren't I? I'm excellent at finding rocks, son.
Mm.
I am. Are you making sure the camera's on me?
There's glass.
Welcome to your channel. And we're doing a beach walk, and then we're going to go pat some kangaroos if we can find them. I do like to go to the same spot because I know those kangaroos know me, and I want to take skits in there to pat one as well. That root on that tree looks awesome, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
That looks cool. I just love it. I just love it. Just so beautiful. I'm nearly ready to cream Monster. I'm so close. Just about finished Monster. He's right at the end of his whips. I know he is. I've taken Monster's boost. I bumped him. Boom. Ah! I crushed Monster.
Wait.
May you rest in peace, Monster. And we'll see you soon, patting kangaroos.
All right, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You filming?
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. We're here. And Limits isn't, but I wish you were, brother. That was awesome this morning. And we're going to go pat some kangaroos. And hopefully one day Limits and Forks will be here. Going to say hello to the Joey. Now, hang back slow from me in case I'm first. I'm over slow, yeah? So we can see the Joey's climbing in, so stop there for a second, son. Gave a little grunt. Gave a little grunt.
Be careful because they
Yeah, no,
can
that's
claw
right.
the
Just
hell
gotta
out of your
listen to it,
face.
But they're getting a beautiful pat. Don't film them, though.
I'm
That's
not
cool.
going to.
No one grunted, so I might just go over the other group and just sit amongst them for a bit. Stop for a second.
No, Dad, be careful.
Another one got patted by them, but I don't want to scare it off at the moment because they're enjoying their pat, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I would like to get closer to one.
Oh, you're going to get clawed.
No, I'm not. You gotta trust your dad, okay? And if I do, it's my fault, remember? Alright? Hello? He's a bit bigger, this one, eh? But it's alright. It's nowhere near full size like massive kangaroo. Yeah. Look at Mama lying down with the Joey.
Mm.
And yeah, that one over there is really happy at the moment, but I don't want to go over there and interrupt those people because they're really close to it. I would like to give one a pat again. see that how he's watching out the eye, fully staring at me, making sure what I'm doing. If he was worried, he'd be up, yeah. So he's got his claws out, but at the same time, not aggressive. It's actually out just to show that I'm dangerous. You know what I mean? We're going to see if we can get this one that's nervous.
Oh my god, I don't want to film this.
I won't pat them unless they're happy. No. I'm not sure if you do. I know this other one over here is really happy to be patted. I want to get this one.
I just did a shiitake mushroom.
I don't think he wants it. I might go over this other one's more comfortable. Go over this way, Skitson. Bye, buddy. And it is the trick that you can't force them. That one over there too, as we can see. I'll just come a bit closer. Watch how you're filming. Right over here, we can see the joey coming out. I don't think you want it, but you might. You can see the big legs coming out, no way. Okay? Usually when they're laying down like that, they don't actually want the attention. But this one over here was happy with it. I was watching before, so I could see there were other people actually really happy with it. So I actually want to try and do really well. Hello, you're really relaxed, aren't you? Hello. Look at me, real confident. You're just going to come on, confidence, you. Ah, well, I got something funny on my hand from the food.
Probably.
That's weird, isn't it? I must have something on my hand from the food. I rubbed my hand in the dirt.
Maybe
Did you see how they didn't like that?
Maybe it was the mother can.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Didn't like the smell of my hand, eh? We normally pat them all the time. That was crazy. Come here, come. Tidy up. I don't know. Well, I can tell you something with nature, everybody. When you do have nature, you don't want to force them.
How long ago were the bushfires?
A little while ago.
Well, you had a smoke, so they might think it's a cigarette.
That's
I
gonna be
can't.
edited.
I can't say that. Can I?
Well, I'd rather you not say stuff continuously. I've got to edit. Like, don't, Dad. Please don't. It's scary.
All right, I just won't speak and say my
No,
mind.
you can say whatever you want, but just cigarettes, no. Okay. Try again. Okay. I do have to do editing, but I don't want to edit a million things.
Yeah, I was just saying why I think it could be a possibility.
If possible, but I don't think so because I used to come here and do that.